Welcome to Vedic Astrology Classes, Session 99. Saturn in 10th house of a birth chart in Vedic Astrology. 10th house of a birth chart is known as Karma Bhav. It is about our actions and duties. It is about our performance while dealing with people other than family. 10th house is 7th from 4th house. 4th house of your birth chart is about your life at home. It is your comfort zone. And 10th house is the place away from home and family where you have to deal with unknown people. It is like a battlefield where you have to show your skills and talent and many times have to face unpredictable situations. 10th house is about your professional life, career, position, status, authority, reputation you earn while dealing with people at professional level or social level. 10th house is also about the social life of the person. In Vedic astrology, Saturn is a slow-moving planet. It remains in the same house for 2.5 years. It takes time to give results. It expects hard work, discipline, sincerity before showering its blessings. Saturn is the significator of law, judiciary, hard work, discipline, sincerity, deep thinking or products available under the surface of earth, minerals, oil, gas, all agricultural products, labor class, menial jobs, servants, all types of waste and junk, antiques, old things, criminals, chronic ailments, delay, laziness. Saturn is also the controller of sorrow, fear, age, death, time. In Vedic astrology, Saturn is the significator of karma and 10th house is the karma bhav. Person with Saturn in 10th house is hardworking, disciplined, systematic, straightforward, keen observer, not a quick decision maker. Person takes time to make decisions. Deep thinker and also overthinker. Always a busy mind, thinking about one thing or the other. Person is fearful, takes too much pressure of work. Person has a serious professional approach towards work. Whatever may be the profession of the person, he or she will always do the job with utmost dedication. As I explained earlier, Saturn is not always bad. If placed in a positive position in your birth chart, it will give good results in its dasha or mahadasha. It makes you work hard to rise high in profession and achieve career goals. You must have come across such people in your office or workplace who pay serious attention to their work, are regular, and never want to miss deadlines. Saturn makes person professionally successful and financially strong. Person becomes a respected and known figure in office due to his hard work and sincerity. 10th house is also about social life and fame. These people don't make many friends and they don't like to be in public eye. But in 10th house, their work does not go unnoticed. They get fame and popularity. With Saturn in 10th house, person may go for job or business. But person with Saturn in 10th house is more likely to prefer job, government or private. Person may be a bureaucrat, maybe in oil, gas, mining industry, judiciary, tax department, sanitary department, may deal in antiques or in business related to scrap, iron, minerals, chemicals, etc. May work in iron factory or do some mechanical job. Person may get income from agriculture, may be a lawyer, judge, politician. 10th house is also seen for father. Father's personality and profession are also influenced by Saturn. Father will be hardworking and disciplined, but person will not have cordial relations with father. The reason being, in Vedic astrology, Sun is the significator of father and Sun is also the father of Saturn. But at the same time, Sun and Saturn are enemies, so father and son will hardly be on same page. Always have difference of opinion, moving in opposite directions. Many times, there may be bitterness in their relations. If Saturn is placed in a strong position without any negative influence, only then relations with father can be good. From 10th house, Saturn aspects 4th house, Sukh Bhav or Matri Bhav. 4th house is seen for family and worldly comforts. If Saturn is in good position in 10th house, person will have a good family life with all worldly pleasures and comforts. But these people hardly involve in family matters. They are always busy with their work. All their thoughts revolve around their work, and even with family members, they behave in a disciplined and professional way. They don't show any inclination towards fun, entertainment, recreation. They hardly have any interest in mixing with relatives and friends. They try to keep themselves away from social gatherings. Even they celebrate any event or festival in a quiet and simple manner. Mother of the person is also a hard-working lady. She inculcates sense of discipline and hard work in the person. Due to Saturn, the person may not be very close to mother. Saturn aspects 7th house, house of marriage and legal partnership. Saturn causes delay in marriage. Married life lacks romance and fun. They have very restricted relationship with partner. Personality of spouse is also influenced by Saturn. Spouse is also serious about his or her work, is not a very fun-loving person. Thus, pleasure and fun elements are missing in their lives. From 10th house, Saturn also aspects 12th house, Vyaya Bhav, house seen for losses, expenditure, foreign land, privacy, bed pleasure, and moksha. Here Saturn controls their private life and bed pleasure. Their private life is overshadowed by their professional life. Even if they are out for vacation, it may be possible that they get a call from workplace and they get involved in office work. When these people are with family or friends, at that time also they keep thinking about their work. Many times they have restricted sleep hours due to work. Since their mind is always occupied by work, so bed pleasure is also restricted. For them, their work is the most important thing. Everything else is secondary. Saturn also controls their expenses. These people don't like lavish lifestyle. They are not extravagant. They like to live a simple life. 12th house is also seen for foreign land. Due to Saturn, these people can move to foreign land for work. Saturn helps them to flourish and gain respect and fame for their work. Presence of Saturn in 10th house keeps a person involved in his or her work. These people don't find any thrill or fun in materialistic pleasures. Their work is their hobby. They like it and enjoy it. They feel restless if they have to do some unproductive or redundant work or sit idle. If 10th house and 10th lord are under the influence of benefics, or if Saturn is in Swarashi, Mool Trikon or exalted in 10th house, person can expect good results related to 10th house. Person is blessed with a bright professional life, good finances, fame, respect, status and normal relations with father. No doubt person has to do hard work to get blessings of Saturn. Saturn makes you work hard, lead a systematic, disciplined life, and return gives very good and sustainable results. A well-placed Saturn blesses you with name, fame and money. If 10th house or 10th lord is aspected by malefics, person cannot expect good results related to 10th house. Person will be involved in unlawful activities and may try to earn money using wrong practices. Saturn makes them to pay for their wrong deeds. Remember, Saturn is the significator of justice. These people should pay extra attention and keep themselves away from illegal activities. Also, person will not have good relations with father. Relations will be bitter and they will have totally different opinions on practically all issues. So ugly situations keep popping up. If Saturn is debilitated in 10th house, person has to work really hard to sustain and get success in professional life. Person may have to start from a very basic level in profession and will rise step by step through hard work. May have to opt for low-paying, tough manual job. A debilitated Saturn can be good for married life to some extent. Relations with father will not be good. There will be no support or guidance of father in his life. It may be possible that he will not have company of father since childhood. To learn more about Vedic astrology, please watch Vedic Astrology Classes, Session 100.